In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to update your GCash app and try switching networks error on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your GCash app is fully updated. For that, launch your App Store. Search for the app GCash. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it. Using an outdated version is one of the main reasons this error shows up. Next, try switching your internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch it to mobile data. In case you are using mobile data, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Sometimes the app blocks access due to unstable or restricted networks. If the issue continues, restart your iPhone. Likewise, you should also check your iPhone's date and time settings. For that, launch Settings, go to the option General, click on the option Date and Time, toggle on for the option Set Automatically. Incorrect time settings can interfere with app verification. Likewise, head back, click on the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. GCash may block access from certain IP addresses, so disabling VPN can help restore normal access. Lastly, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it and try to log in. And that's it. One of these methods would fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.